Listen, Canadians have been keeping a delicious secret from you. They're butter tarts. And we're gonna make them today on Baked with Gina, and they're gonna be so freaking good. Butter tarts! Funny enough, this is a Canadian treat, and this is actually my very first time making them. Excuse me! But I've had them before. They're delicious. For the pastry, we're gonna be using flour, salt, cold cubed butter, water, and sugar. And then for the filling, we're gonna be using brown sugar, eggs, maple syrup, walnuts, vinegar, and vanilla. I'm so excited. Have you tried one, Kyle?
Only the one from Nando's. I don't know if that's similar.
This is the butt of a tart. Does that count? You've eaten that before?
True.
So guess what time it is? Look at that time, right there. It's half past this freckle. That means it's time to get
Baked with
silly.
Gina.
Yeah, Baked with Gina.
Bye.
See ya. Let's go, come on. Ready?
Zooming.
All right, Kyle, what is your number?
A lot.
Already a lot? My number right now is probably already at 8.5. So the thing about pastry is it's always more delicious when it's like crispy and flaky. And the way you get flaky pastry is by using pastry flour and also cutting in your butter. I don't know what to do with my hands. Do you think Lex will get that reference?
And I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Okay, what was I doing? Kyle, what's your number right now? Because you were just kind of staring off into space there.
An 11T or a 12T.
Dang, okay. I would definitely say I'm a 9. Maybe a 9.5. So, I'm just gonna do that so I don't cut myself. Bitch, what? I was afraid to break it. Thanks for the extension cord, by the way.
No problem.
Kyle's the best.
Lex is the best.
That's also true.
Good soup.
We're going to blender the flour, salt, and sugar using pulse with our cubed cold butter. Straight into this thing. Here's my salt and my sugar. Bye. And then we're gonna add in the cubes and pulse until crumbly. Oh.
Anyways, you got it, yay!
You got it. It's okay. Kyle, what's your number right now?
All of it.
We're gonna pulse this until it's crumbly. Bro, this is gonna end up like that scene in The Office where they're like, blender, listen.
For the record, you're 0-3 with that blender right now.
You're not wrong. Am I tripping here? Oh, okay. Oh my God. Like, it doesn't look like it's doing anything anymore. Excuse me. I don't know what the f is going on here with this. Okay, in the bowl it goes. The next part of the recipe says to add the cold water in the blender and then pulse it until it starts to make a ball. But I'm gonna do that in the bowl. It's looking very pastry though. I don't really understand how this is supposed to be, but I'm gonna add a little bit more water. We're just moistening it. I don't know if I f***ed my pastry or not, but I probably need some.
What?
You're supposed to refrigerate it for an hour, but I figured we could just shove it in the freezer for like 20 minutes. That's probably good, right? That's like the same. Same, but just sped up.
Same, but different.
While this is in the freezer, we can work on the filling. Yeah. Wait.
I'm gonna kill you.
This is part 2. This is the filling part. Also, normally I think these have pecans in them, but I'm using walnuts today.
Naughty, naughty.
Do you know that I could drink this whole bowl of maple syrup?
You wouldn't.
No, I'd probably barf actually. I'm not gonna do that.
2 seconds later.
Should I? We're gonna mix all of our ingredients. Is that brown sugar? That almost didn't go in. What? Melted butter. Bay butter. Woo. The vinegar. In it goes. This apparently is to cut a little bit of the sweetness, actually. So it's not overpowering sweet. Vanilla. Oh. Oh no. Just blink. There we go, that was better. All right, now I'm gonna whisk this together. Look at it. I think it's gonna be kind of delicious. All right, I got a new roller today. Oh, I broke it. I'm gonna roll this out really thin and then use a cup to cut little circles.
And you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way you like.
It probably helped, right? Does this look like a butter tart yet? Thin little pancakes. Looks to be a good pastry. I don't know. I'm assuming it's gonna puff up a little bit. I'm gonna try and get as many circle cutouts of the dough as I can for my muffin pan. Watch me.
Everybody
1,
knows you got your own sound. So good,
12.
so fresh,
Oh, look
just the
at
way
it.
you like it. Just the way you like it.
These ones are a little bit smaller, but that's okay.
So good, so fresh.
We're gonna remix this and then we're gonna ladle it into our little cups we have over here. And you know what I didn't do was preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Kyle forgot to remind me.
Up on your feet.
Oh, it was my fault, that's fine.
So
Oh my goodness, they look so cute already. They look like little sunflowers. Ooh, that was a little full. Okay, listen, I'm normally really good at pouring, but my number is still probably at 8.5. I've been consistently 8.5 this whole time. Some of these might be exploding in the oven, I don't know. See, it probably would have, if I used a ladle, the chances of me doing this maybe were still exactly the same, who knows? Ooh, I don't know, maybe the chocolate will fuck it up. But I'll only do it with like a couple of these.
Caption, hi, I'm Gina. My butter tarts look like buttholes.
They look like sunflowers. Now that our oven is actually preheated, they're gonna go in the oven for 20 minutes. Here we go.
Fill me up for my switch. I'm a devil in disguise.
Don't forget a timer. The pan's not hot. Wait, what did I say?
20 minutes.
Stop distracting me. It's actually so good though. Like
I don't need that. We can like.
No, you need that much to really savor the taste. Come on, don't be like that. Ready? I think it's so good.
Wasn't too much.
It's definitely sweet, but it's maple syrup sweet.
Like, coming from a guy who hasn't eaten much sugar in the last couple days, like,
Your insulin's about to
that was a lot of sugar.
This is what I drew last week. It's Luffy eating one of my whoopie pies. Obviously, he thinks it's delicious. See? They kind of look like little buttholes now. Oh my. It's gonna be fine. No. Maybe it'll like de-fluff. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna tell myself. I don't know what I'm gonna draw today. It has to be something cute. There's no cats here.
Look like a space monkey.
Why a space monkey?
I literally just said the first thing that came to my mind. Space monkey? So you are drawing a space monkey?
Mama! Mama! Mama!
You are drawing a space monkey?
Right now, I'm drawing a space monkey.
There you go.
Ooh, hot. They actually look delicious. Come on, don't lie.
A couple of them look pretty good.
Tell Tell me which ones look delicious.
Like, this one looks really good. This one looks really good. Probably that one looks really good.
Okay. Well, then you're only allowed to eat one of those and none of these, okay? Just kidding. You can have as many as you want. But then you have to tell me how delicious they are because they all taste the fucking same. How I feel about my little space monkey. How it gets us out now? Does it like crack like ice cubes? I did not butter my pan. So is that the reason why they're sticking to it? Perhaps destroyed. Uh-oh. Oh no, am I gonna regret not using butter? Perhaps. Oh, it was definitely fun soup. It was actually pretty good. Come out, please. Oh, oh! I said please and it was like, okay. Yay! Here they are. Here's all of our little butter tarts. Aren't they so cute? They look like little sunflowers to me. What about you? Kyle? Hmm?
Yeah, definitely sunflowers.
Definitely sunflowers. Looks so good. Smell test. Smells like a pastry. 10 out of 10. It's so good. I love this flavor. To be honest, it's a very subtle maple flavor. So good in a little pastry. The inside is very gooey right now. It is still very warm, but if you did chill them, it would solidify a little bit. I thought all dudes thought buttholes were cute.
10 out of 10.
Great success.
Hey, Kyle, what would you rate that for me?
I would also rate this like a 9 out of 10.
That's pretty good actually for you, considering you don't like sweets a whole lot, I guess. Not that much. You'll like it. You should try this recipe. It's in the thing below, okay? Uh-huh. This has been another fun, amazing Canadian episode of Bake with Gina, Learning to Master Bake. Today we made some amazing Canadian butter tarts. I don't know what we're gonna make next time, but you could find out. There's a new episode every Thursday. If you like this episode, you might like this one. Bye.